All right, I'm recording it, big buddy.
All right. Here we go. We're going to get the gold train.
Show him how it's done. Full screen.
All right, we got the green train.
Big. I'm letting the whole screen see.
Sorry. 300. Big numbers. Big numbers.
Big numbers, big numbers. He asked for them big numbers.
All right, red. Get a red.
What is going on?
Red cross. Oh my God. Bro, you gotta give me some of this. You win some big.
John, you think I should record both of y'all sections? Matter of fact, I got my own.
Want to save it?
Yeah, I couldn't get it to open up on.
How long? Oh, nope. Yes.
Hey, you gotta
Save.
look at the ride. Look at that.
All right, we got saved. Crossing. Another red. Another red. Come on. Yeah. Oh, just two more of those. Another red.
Don't worry, I'm getting both perspectives.
Last save. Yes. Red. Red. Red.
It's so funny.
Red. Yes.
Keep going, keep going.
Red train. Red train. Oh, okay, I'll take green.
I'm getting all the footage for you.
Here we go, big numbers, big numbers. 70, 20, 20. Oh, what the hell, really?
Go.
All right, that was red.
I'm so hyped to see what it is.
You're red. Red cross. You're red.
Whoa.
You got a coat? Thank you. Red cross. Yes.
That's what we're looking for.
The gold train.
I got you. Whoa, what is this?
I gotta finish my feature first.
Okay.
So now it's gonna add all those up.
You want me to keep it going? All right.
Yep. So we're about to go to the gold train.
Okay, bad. Because I got Lucas' perspective on my phone and I got yours on yours.
Right now we're sitting at, what is it? $251.
Okay.
Gold train, baby.
Let's see it.
Big numbers. $700. Mini. 500. 700. 500. 300. 500.
Okay.
Another train? Another train? Yay.
I'm trying not to shake so they can get good footage of it.
so far.
All right, John, you want me to stop it now?
No.
Okay.
$671.
Hey, we'll take it. We just getting started. I hope my hand is steady enough for the video.
$15 bids.
Hey, we'll take that. Make sure I get the full screen so they know. Hey, for a first time seeing it, that was dope.
$81.
Hey, we'll take it. Trying to keep that grin in sight so they know.
Down to 5.
I'm trying to keep it close enough so they can hear your commentary. That's why I'm trying to speak loud enough to at least have some behind it. Oh.
Here we go.
That was crazy.
Final bid. That's out of